How to unbox and set up the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 3101 through 3108 printer series with a USB connection. Open the box and remove the setup guide and other documentation included with the printer. Remove the printer power cord and set it aside. With the box on its side, grasp the packaging and pull to remove the printer from the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps from the printer and set them aside. Remove the plastic bag from the printer. Remove the orange tape from the exterior of the printer and tilt the toner access door up to remove the tape from beneath the door. Remove the clear plastic shields from the printer display and the HP symbol. Slide out the input tray and slide the paper guides to the sides of the tray. Place paper in the tray and adjust the guides so that they are resting against the edges of the paper. Slide the tray back into the printer. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and plug the other end into a power source. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button and the printer powers on. Select your language and tap Confirm. Then select your country or region. Set the date and time, and then touch Continue. On the firmware update screen, scroll down the screen and tap Next. When prompted to select a preferred firmware update method, select Do Not Check and then tap Save. A Thank you for choosing HP screen appears. Tap Continue to proceed to home screen. Connect a USB cable between the printer and your computer. On your computer, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com/start. Scroll to the Set up a printer section and select Setup. Enter in your printer model, and select Next. Select Begin Setup, and then select Install HP EasyStart. After the software is downloaded, click the .exe file and follow the on-screen prompts to install HP EasyStart. On the Printer Found screen, select the printer, select USB cable, and then select Continue. Select Full Software and Drivers. On the Installation Agreement screen, review the terms and select Accept. Then, on the Analytics screen, select either Yes or No Thanks depending on your preference. Note: if prompted to select a printer to install on the network, click My device is not listed and then click Next. If prompted to connect an Ethernet cable, click Cancel. Note: for FDN and FDW printer models, the fax setup wizard will pop up behind the loading screen. This does not apply to SDW models. Select either Next or Skip. When the Setup Complete screen displays, click Finish. The printer is now set up and ready to use.